Hello, I'm in a 2007 Mercury Mariner. Instead, I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side, go right down till you see this lever. It's under some tension, you should pull. And that will release the safety. And if this isn't under tension at all, you should check, make sure this cable's attached and slightly tight. If that's not, you need to address that. So now we'll go up to the hood. Should be slightly loose now because of that safety being released. Most vehicles there's a lever towards the middle. This one's right here. So we'll pinch and lift. So pinch, lift. And that's where it was hooked onto. This is what the component looks like. This is kind of catch in here, so this kind of needs adjusted for sure. But otherwise, you can check for debris in here. Clean that out, spray some WD-40, loosen it up. Sometimes too, if your hood's a little bit off alignment or something's bent, that can cause issues as well with it closing properly and opening. And worst case, these parts can be replaced fairly affordably, same with the cables. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.